Welcome! Here's how to file your Form 7004. Business names can be added by click Add Organization. Click Start e-filing to begin the process. Select the beginning and ending tax period you are filing for. If the tax period is less than 12 months, select the reason. When finished, click the Save and Continue button. The tax form details page has you select the form type that is filing the extension. You can also select from the checkboxes if the business is filing a consolidated return or if it is part of regulations. Under the tax calculation page, type in the amount of tentative total tax and the amount of refundable credits and tax payments. The balance that you will owe will be calculated on the balance due. You can also click the checkbox if you want to make payments through a secure channel. Under the review page, ensure that all of the information listed in the form is correct. When you are finished reviewing, hit Save and Continue. Under the payment page, select Yes if you have a coupon and type in the code. If you want to verify veteran status, select Yes and type the information. Enter your credit or debit card information, such as cardholder name, card type, credit card number, expiration date, and security digits in the back of your card. Enter your billing address. You can click the checkbox if business and billing address is the same. Agree to the terms and conditions and finally click the Pay Now tab.